What's going on, everybody? So do you guys want to become a TikTok editing expert? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you my complete A to Z guide on how to edit a TikTok video. And the cool thing is I'm going to do it all in the TikTok app. I'm going to pull out my phone. I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to make some really cool videos within the TikTok app. And guys, this is coming from someone that doesn't even know how to edit YouTube videos. As you know, I do not edit my YouTube videos at all. But with TikTok, it makes it super easy. It's actually pretty fun. And you can make some really cool content on TikTok. As you know, I've been getting some amazing results on TikTok. But if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start an online business, and of course, affiliate marketing. Guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Now, if you guys have been following my journey, I've been getting some insane results, some insane income just from TikTok itself. I'll show you something real quick. You can see here in the past month, over almost 5,000 visitors to my website, to my funnels, just with using TikTok, which is insane. And if we look at my Clickfunnels account, you can see over 800 email opt-ins. I've been building my list with TikTok. Now, this is coming because I've been, editing my videos on TikTok. I've been putting out lots of content, so I want to show you exactly how to do this. But if you do want to learn how I make money on TikTok, check out these videos right here. $10,000 per month using TikTok. That's the last video I did. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started on this actual video on how to edit TikTok videos. All right, so I'm going to pull out my actual phone. I'm going to show you what we're doing here, okay? So, once you're in the app, guys, I want you guys to go to the plus sign here, okay? Now, there's a bit of a delay here from the phone, but basically, to start editing, what you're going to want to do is, well, there's a few things you can do, okay? So, obviously, you can just start filming. So, if you click the the film button, you can just push the button and you can just start talking. You can see that it'll just start filming for you, okay? You can see it, you can stop it, it'll stop there. Now, there's two things you can do, guys. There's a 15-second and a 60-second option, okay? So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to start over, okay? So when you first start, you can see here there's 15 seconds, and if you slide down here, there's a 60-second. So before you even start your video, make sure you know if you're doing a 60-second video or a 15-second video. That's the two options you have. Now, if you have live capabilities, you can slide to go live, okay? But I'm not going to talk about that right now, okay? Well, I'm just going to do a 15-second video for now, okay? You can see there at the bottom it says 15 seconds, okay? Now, if you do want to go more than 15 seconds and you start the video, you can't switch it to 60 seconds. So that's a mistake I made before. So make sure you choose the right option before you film, okay? So for example, if you do want to do like a 40-second video, make sure to go to the 60-second down here, okay? Let's go back to 15 seconds and let's get started. So you can jump cut it, guys. So another thing you can do, you can, push, let's just say, what's going on, guys? My name's Jonathan, okay? You can stop it. And then you can start filming again, okay? I'm going to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So you can see I stopped it again. So basically you can jump cut it as much as you want, okay? So which is pretty cool. Now let me show you something that you can also do if you want to do hands off, okay? So I'm going to delete these real quick. So you can see that you can delete certain clips if you don't like clips, which is cool, okay? Now I'm going to do something really cool, okay? If you go to timer, you can time it for 3 seconds or 10 seconds if you want to do hands off. Now the cool thing you can do here is, let's just say you want to film 2 seconds, okay? You can see here I'm going to film 2 seconds and it's going to stop right there, but I'm going to do hands off. So I'm going to just put my phone down and I'm going to be hands off, okay? Now it's going to start in 3 seconds, but the actual video will only film for 2 seconds, as you can see there, okay? So let me just show you how this works. Okay? So it's going to start in 3 seconds. What's going on, guys? My name's Jonathan Montoya. Okay, so it stopped there. You can see that, right? So that's the cool thing, guys. You can do edits where you're not only, you don't have to have the phone, you don't have to be touching the record button the whole time, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. Now, I'm going to show you some really cool features on TikTok that you can do. Now, of course, there's beauty mode if you want to take that off. I usually leave it on. It kind of makes you look a little better. So I usually leave beauty mode on. You can see on the top right there. Also, there's a filters app, guys, and you can switch through different filters before you even get started. You can see here, you can change the way you look. It'll make you brighter. It'll kind of change up the scenery there. but there's different apps you can, or different options here, okay? Now let's go into the actual, and I'm going to show you how to do the overlay text here in a little bit. I'm just showing you pre-recording before we even get to the editing part, okay? Now I'm going to show you some cool effects, okay? So if you go to the bottom left here, you can see there's effects right there, okay? Now there's typically there's some trending things you can do, but what I like to do is there's certain things like let me see here. Raindrop is really cool, guys. This is actually really cool. So it says stretch out your hands. So if you stretch out your hands, let me pull this out a little bit. So if you stretch out your hands, it's gonna stop the rain. So you can see that, which is really cool. And you can record that, okay? So there's certain features you can do, guys. It's really, really cool what you can do on TikTok, okay? So that's one effect you can do. And of course, you can switch with different effects on TikTok. So let's just say I record a certain segment right there, okay? I can stop it, and then I can switch to another scenery, okay? So let's just say I want to go to this other trending one. This one right here has been kind of funny. A lot of people are using this one with a voice activator. So I'll show you how to do the voice activator here in a little bit, but you can do that. What's going on, guys? So yeah, you can do that. And then I'm going to switch a scene again and show you another really cool one. Let me see here. I've seen my friend Mike was actually using this Alien app. You know, guys, you can do some really cool things on this app. You can see I'm doing it all on the app itself. Okay, so you can see I'm going to record that. I'm going to stop that. And then you can also speed it. You can do, if you go to the top right here, you can see speed. Let me see here. So yeah, you can see you can 2x it, 3x it. You can slow it down if you want. So there's some really cool things you can do, guys. Like this app is just really, really cool. I'm going to go back to effects here. And I'm going to show you, typically I go to trending, but there's a bunch of things, guys, under editing. Beauty. I'm going to show you some other ones you can do. Let me see. I saw another one that I was that actually went popular, but I usually just go to trending, and there's a bunch of things you can do in there. But let me see. There was one that I really wanted to show you guys that I've used. See if I can find it here. Interactive. Okay, I think it was under interactive. Oh yeah. So interactive ones are really cool. Like for example, it says hold up 1 finger, 2 fingers, or 3. So if I hold up 1, or if I hold up 2. Or if I hold up 3 fingers, it's a really smart app. So it should work. Okay, it's not working there. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Well, the 3 is not working. But anyways, there's different effects you can use, guys. For the most part, it works. Let me see. Okay. But anyways, I'm going to finish the recording here just to show you how to do overlaying text in a little bit, okay? Now, another thing I do want to talk about is music, okay? So what I typically like to do is record the video and then add music later. That typically works better, okay? Let me see. I feel like I'm missing something on here, but before I move on. Oh, yes. Okay. So I'm just going to finish recording. Hey guys, this is a test video on TikTok. I'm literally just going to show you what I'm doing, and then I'm going to throw an overlay text on here. Okay, so the video's done. You can see here on the top there, I have different segments. Okay, now I'm going to hit the red check mark at the bottom right here. And what I'm going to do now is I can start overlaying, or I can start editing my actual video. Now there's a few things you can do, guys. Okay, so the first one is at the bottom left. You can see it says sounds. Okay, so I'm going to hit that, and I'm going to add a sound to my video. Okay, now what you can do is you can go to more, and there's a bunch of trending songs. There's future, travel, all kinds of songs you can choose. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one right here, Savage. And another thing you can do, guys, is I'm not sure if you can hear this. Let me see. So you can hear that, right? So what I'm going to do, guys, is hopefully this is not, let me see here. So see, okay, so this is what I want to show you. So under sounds, you can turn up your original sound and then turn down the music, or however you want to do that. Okay, so you can do that as well. So you can see, you can, if you want your voiceover louder, if you want the music louder, you can kind of do that. Okay, now what I want to do here is I want to show you the adjusting clips. Okay, so right here where it says adjust clips on the top right, there's filters and adjust clips. And there's something that you don't like, you can literally adjust each clip. Okay, so like if there's something you don't like on this clip, you can adjust that right there, okay, which is really, really cool. So that's actually a newer feature they added, okay? So yeah, you can do that. So I'm just going to save that. Another one, guys, is filters. You can filter it after you make the video, you know, if there's something you didn't like, so you can do that as well. What I'm also going to show you is the voice effect, which is really cool. You can add like a chipmunk sound. You can add like a baritone, all kinds of stuff you can do there, okay? Now, you know, if you need to go back and readjust it, you can, but I just want to show you one more thing in here. I want to show you how to do the actual sounds, okay? So let me turn this down real quick just so you guys don't have to hear it. Okay. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to start adding overlaying sounds, okay? So what you can do in here is you can do disappearing text and all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to go to text here. And let's just say I want to add like a headline for the first 2 seconds of the video. Let's just say I'm going to show you how to make money with TikTok. Okay. And then you can literally just change that. You can change like the type of text in here, as you can see. Okay. And then I always like to hit the bold. So that little A button on the left there, I always like to hit that and change the color and then hit done. And what you can do is you can move this with your fingers and you can put that in there, as you can see. Okay. So that's really cool. So what I like to do now is you can click the text and you hit set duration. Okay, what this does is it allows you to have the text disappear. Okay, so if I go ahead and move this, this is gonna last the first 0 seconds to the first second. Okay, now I can move this, you know, to last the first 2 seconds if I want to. So there you go. I'm gonna show you how to make money with TikTok, and then it's gonna disappear. Okay, now I can add another text. I'm gonna say step 1. Okay, you can change the color there. You can see there, you can change the color. I can move this with my finger. I know you can't see my fingers right now, but I'm moving this right here. And you can add that. You can move, drag with your finger, with your thumbs. You can make it bigger or smaller. And now I'm just literally going to set the duration here. I'm going to set this after this other one disappears, which is around, I think it was 2 seconds. So you can see it disappears. Okay. And then you can add that. And then I'm just going to add, see, I'm going to show you how to make money with TikTok. And then step 1. And then you can do that again. Okay. So super, super easy, guys. Step 2. Boom. Okay. You can move that as you wish. Okay. Very easy to do, guys. You can see here, it goes away as you do that. Okay. Now, another thing, guys, is let's just say you want to add a voiceover. You can go ahead and do that right there on the kind of the right there where it says voiceover. And you can add voices to it. Now, obviously, if you're talking, you wouldn't want to do a voiceover over your own video. But like, let's just say you do a video where you're just doing like certain hand motions. You can do a voiceover if you want. So I just wanted to show you that you can do that. Okay. Let's see here. You can also add stickers, guys. If you go to stickers on the bottom right middle there, kind of the right bottom middle. Okay, if you can see that, you can add stickers here. What I like to do is add polls. You know, ask a question. You can do that as well, and it kind of increases engagement as well. So that's really, really helpful to do. And then, of course, what I like to do is add effects. This is really cool. Okay, so if you look at the bottom left there, right by sounds, there's something that says effects. This is different from filters. This actually adds effects to your video. Okay, so I'm gonna go to effects here. And what you can do is you can push the effect you want for as long as you want it. So let's just say I want to do that stroke effect, okay, for the first 2 seconds. You literally hold it for the first 2 seconds and then you stop it, okay? Now you can either stop it here and that's it, or you can go to another effect. Let's just say you want to do a transition. Let's just say you want to turn the TV off, something like that. So you can click that. It's going to transition into that one. And then let's just say you want to hit the scroll. So you can add a bunch of cool effects, okay? Now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to add this rainbow effect as long as I want. And basically you tap it for as long as you want it, and then you release it, okay? And then you can see I can add more stuff here, rainbow, heart bling, stuff like that, okay? So now, obviously this video is a little crazy, but I just wanted to show you all the things you can do, okay? So you can see that little effect there. And so there's stuff you can do after, but there's stuff you can do before. So I want you guys to understand that, okay? So like the stuff I did with the alien, with the raindrop, that's all stuff you do before. And then the text and the music, you add that later, okay? So I want to let you guys know that. And then, of course, there's stickers you can add as well. So you can go ahead and add, let's just say, any of these you can add on here. I'm just going to put this little rocket ship here. And, of course, you can go ahead and if you tap on the sticker and hit set duration, you can set that for as long as you want it as well, okay? So you can see that, and it's gonna appear, and then it's gonna disappear, okay? There's the little rocket, and it's gonna disappear, okay? So obviously the video doesn't make sense. I'm just doing an example here, and that's pretty much it, guys. And then once you hit next, what you can do is you can throw your caption and your description and your hashtags, and then your video will go viral, hopefully, right? And I show you how the algorithm works in another video, guys, but I just really want to show you how to edit the video. There's some new features coming out. Typically what I like to do here, though, is just allow comments. I always allow Stitch, Duet, and React, and then I typically save it to my device, and then I add those videos on like my Instagram stories and stuff like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and draft it. But you can see here I have a ton of drafts. Typically I'll have like anywhere between 10 to 20 drafts, and I'll just post videos throughout the day. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. I hope that you get better at editing the videos. It's really not that hard. Just kind of mess with it. And, I just wanted to show you kind of the basics of editing. But that's all you really need to know. As you know, I don't really edit my YouTube videos at all. So, if I'm able to make these really cool transitions on TikTok, it'll be super easy for you guys to do it. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming out with a ton of videos on, like I said, affiliate marketing, how to start online businesses. And if you do want to learn how I make money online, I do affiliate marketing, guys. That's going to be the first link in the description below. It takes you through a 15-day challenge where it helps you get started as a complete beginner, guys. This is the company that helped me go from an electrical engineer to a full-time entrepreneur and within 9 months, guys. So if you want to learn more, click the first link in the description below. Go through the 15-day challenge, get started as a complete beginner. And if you need help with TikTok, guys, reach out to me on Instagram. Reach out to me on our Facebook group. We have a ton of people helping in there. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you guys soon.